drown in elevators every damn day of the week.
Oh 0898 40 40 40. 0898 40 40 40. The party line that buzzes.
You know that great B&Q offer? It's only on till Thursday.
B&Q. With everything reduced, you just have to tell somebody. This is Bob Lamb's house. What Bob doesn't know is we filled his brand new pool with slime. Just watch his face when he arrives. I'll be in the shed.
What Terry doesn't know is that Bob drinks Carling Black Label.
Thank you so much. Very fine. Something like 10 million people in Britain now own shares. But buying and selling them can still be a real hassle, which is where this share screen comes in. It makes the whole process so much easier. It's really straightforward. You don't need an appointment. You just tap in your details, and if you like the price on the screen, you take it. There and then. Oh, it appeals to all kinds of people. Well, it's not surprising. It's as easy as... Exactly.
Remind you of anybody's face?
Oh, that's cruel.
Hey, where is Harold anyway? I haven't seen him all week. Maybe his face exploded.
Why doesn't somebody tell him?
Like what? You should do something about your zits? I don't know. Maybe, like, slip him some Clearasil.
No one's going to tell you to your face you need Ultra Clearasil. It's so effective, you'll have fewer spots in just 5 days.
He's back.
Harold?
Someone must have told him.
Ask your pharmacist for Ultra Clearasil. Fewer spots in 5 days.
Yeah, did you know Hoover will give you your money back on this dishwasher within 100 days? No questions asked. Even if you decide you just don't like it.
Yeah, and I'm the Queen of Sheba.
To prove that this muscle tackles the filthiest of jobs with plenty of muscle, give it to someone with none. Our oven cleaner devours the greasiest ovens, toes. And a kitchen cleaner, all it takes is a little squirt. The muscle loves the job doing. Hey, Santa, have you heard about La Polly's January sale? There's up to £150 off per person. £150 each, get away.
Hey, listen up, people, and call this number. You'll get right into it real quickly. Wanna have a laugh and talk to nice people? 0898 6060.
We want to be able to live a little.
I want to be able to live a lot.
Want to be able to go out once in a while.
I want to be able to be nice.
Want to be able to enjoy the garden.
I want to be able to stuff the garden, hire a big yacht and disappear around the world.
More and more women are taking control of their futures with a personal pension of their own.
We want to be together.
Whatever your plans for later life, you want to be with Prudential.
Hey, Santa, have you heard about Lumpolly's January sale? There's up to £150 off per person. £150 each? Get away.
My leg hurts like hell, Carl. I'm gonna need some help, mate. Well, there's a place about 20 miles up the road. Don't go running off now, will you? Oh, great. How long before the flying doc gets here, mate? Oh, heck.
Australians wouldn't give a Castlemaine 4X for anything else.
Clifford is expecting his nephew Eddie, a laid-back dragon.
Hi.
With regrettably laid-forward breasts.
Wicked.
But Clifford has the answer. New Cool Mint Listerine. Cool. The same breath freshness as Listerine, a proven reduction in the build-up of plaque, but an altogether cooler experience. Ma'am.
Oh, Clifford.
Hello.
Oh, Eddie.
New Cool Mint Listerine. Cool enough to take your breath away.
But not your girl, Eddie.
Oh, did you?
We only had 5 days. We had no idea how large France was.
Fairies at the bottom of our garden. Look.
We were supposed to drive to Paris at Wednesday.
Sony's smallest camcorder. Picture quality you won't believe.
The Old England coach is laden and ready to bring you the cream of British sherry. Old England, the cream of British sherry.
We interrupt our regular program to bring you a special bulletin. The governor has just